So I made a similar video in August 2021, and in that video I also said that I will be making these kind of videos, my monthly PNL every few months. November 2021 was my second best month up until now. That's why this month deserves a monthly PNL video, because as you guys know, this YouTube channel shows my journey and how I have progressed over the years as a day trader, from making $90 in 15 minutes to now making 5 figures in a month. I will start this video with a quick breakdown of my last day of November, just to show you guys that you don't have to push it every day when the market is choppy. Then I will be disclosing my PNL, my broker statement, and my stats for the month of November 2021. Here's my game plan for 30th of November 2021, that is the last day of November. I was only watching 3 stocks for the day. The first is RBLX, second is mRNA, and third is Tesla. My first trade of the day was on Tesla and my second trade of the day was on mRNA. If you guys want to be part of our Discord group, we recently had a discount that I posted on my Instagram, but I forgot to tell you guys, my YouTube followers. That's why for this video we have a special discount code. That discount code will be in the description box below. That will give you 20% off for the first 3 months. In our Discord group, we trade on voice twice a week. Rest of the days we are active on the text channel. We also have pre-market breakdown webinars every single day, and we also do 1 to 2 webinars every single week to help you with your trading. My first trade of the day was on Tesla, because Tesla has kind of been making this bull pennant on the daily chart. If you look at the daily chart on Tesla, it had a decent push towards the upside and it's been consolidating in this triangle for a while. I was looking for the break of yesterday's high and the pre-market high, which was around $1150 level, for a continuation move towards the upside. This is my recap of the trade on Tesla. This dotted line is the pre-market high and this is the yesterday's high. Right at the market open, we saw Tesla pushing above the pre-market high with a lot of volume and a lot of momentum. Just before the break of 1150, I got filled 20 contracts. I'm trading 1200 calls, same week expiry, and my fill price was 12.40. After a bit of consolidation, Tesla held $1147 level. My stop loss was around 1148 or 1147 because my entry was at 1149. It broke 1152 towards the upside, but the premiums were not moving really nicely. That's why I took 50% of my position out, 10 contracts at a fill price of 12.90. At the break of 1154, I expected some sort of a pullback before the break of 1155. That's why I took another 5 contracts out at a fill price of 12.82. I'm just holding my last 5 contracts now. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that if I take partials on a position, I will always exit my position at break even. My entry was at 12.40, and when the premiums came back to my entry point, approximately my entry point, I exited my last 5 contracts at a fill price of 12.50. And as you guys can see, my entry was right here at 1149. Even though the stock price is at 1154, the premiums came back to my break even point. And that's the thing, when you are trading the market open, sometimes because of high volume, the premiums are gonna move a lot in your favor. And even if you are like 10 seconds late, your fill price is gonna be very bad. If I would have entered at the break of 1145 right here, my fill price would have been really good. But because I entered at the top of this candle, right around the top of this candle, my fill price was really bad. That's why I had to cover my position very quickly on this trade. In total on this trade, I made $760 within the first 5 minutes of market open, which is not that bad. My second and the last trade of the day was on mRNA, because mRNA had a decent push towards the upside recently because of the new COVID variant. We saw the pump in the vaccine stocks, including mRNA. On the daily chart, I was looking to trade it for the break of 375 towards the upside, and towards the downside, I was watching the break of $350 level, because the yesterday low was right around $350 level. This is my trade on mRNA. Let's take a look at the 1-minute chart and the daily chart. We had a decent push towards the downside. We had a bearish move with high volume. And since the initial move towards the downside, it's been consolidating in this triangle. This is called the bear pennant strategy. That's why on the pullback to 342 and 341, I got filled 10 contracts. I'm trading 335 puts, same week expiry again, and my fill price was 12.65. My stop loss on this trade is the break of 342 or 342.5 towards the upside, because that will be the break of the triangle towards the upside. I want the stock to go towards the downside. After a few minutes of consolidation, mRNA broke broke $342 level towards the upside. That was my stop loss. That's why I covered my position at a loss and my fill price was 11.94, overall losing around $700 on this trade. Let's now take a look at my PNL. I was almost break even for the day, making $13 for the day. My first trade was on Tesla right at the open at 9:30 a.m. My second trade was on mRNA at 10:06 a.m. So you guys can see I was very patient on this day because the market was very choppy. After my first trade on Tesla, I waited for around 30 minutes before taking my next trade on mRNA. I feel like mRNA trade was also a good trade, but every trade is a risk to reward game. If you are a day trader, you have to accept the risk as well that comes with taking a position. I'm showing you guys this recap before disclosing my PNL because you guys need to know that you don't have to push it every single day. Your job as a day trader is to know when to push it and when to take a back seat. On this day, the last day of November, I had a feeling that I have to take a back seat because market was in a range. Just 2 days ago, market was making all-time highs, but because of the new COVID variant, it has created a lot of uncertainty in the market. And you need to know when the market is uncertain, you have to take a back seat and protect the downside. And still, you can have a very good month overall by protecting your downside on these days. Before we jump onto the stats, PNL and the broker statement for the month of November, pause this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification because I'm releasing 2 to 3 new videos every single week, and every single like counts because it helps out the channel to reach new traders out there. Here's my Interactive Brokers. I'm going to click on the report section again just to refresh the page so that you guys know it's real time. This is my account number at the top, which will be hidden obviously. I'm going to click on Realized Summary. Then I'm going to go in monthly, try to generate the report for November and run this report. This might take a few seconds. And here's the report for you guys from November 1 to November 30, 2021. If I go in Realized and Unrealized Performance Summary and scroll all the way to the bottom, you guys can see I made 53,000. You guys won't be able to see it because I'm coming in between. I'm going to hide myself. But now you guys can see I made $53,642.25 in a matter of 30 days. That is from November 1st to November 30, 2021. And this is all from day trading. I did not hold any positions on this account overnight. That means I entered and exited within the same day on all of my positions on this account. So that is it guys. It's amazing to see because my first green month was in 2020. That was February 2020. I made around $600 or $800 in that month to now making $50,000 plus in one single month. It just blows my mind the opportunities you have in the stock market. And not only that, day trading grows you as a person because you're working on yourself every single day to improve your health, to improve your psychology, to stick to your rules, to be disciplined in your life. That shows up in trading as well. So trading in general, it grows you as a person. It makes you a better human being. If I compare myself to the 2 years ago Jay, I personally realized a lot of differences in my own personality in a good way because I am working every single day to be a better version of myself than yesterday. That's it guys. Again, just a reminder, if you guys want to be part of our Discord group, the link will be in the description box below with the coupon code that will give you 20% off for the next 3 months, and that coupon code is only valid for the next 2 days. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification because I'm releasing 2 to 3 new videos on day trading every single week. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, the link will be in the description box below. I post a lot of good day trading content on Instagram as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.